Huh?
Because why?
Jay, why? Why?
Talk to me, baby. You're so pretty little missy, baby. I got one night for you, baby. It's so hard about to close.
What's up, you guys? It is your boy Jayllnn, and I am about to prank Cardo. It's been a while. Make sure you smash this like button because the king of pranks is back. Cardo been trying it lately, and you know, I just need to get my pettiness out. Like, I just need to be petty, and this is really time. This prank is very much that. So there's this prank called cheating with the door lock prank. Cardo is not here, and the door, baby, she's locked. You're not getting in, and that's gonna irritate him because he don't like when the door is locked. Not only that, let me show you. So I found this man on YouTube.
Scott, super tired, especially after that.
Oh, that's so funny.
It was time.
This is my baby, y'all. We're on FaceTime right now. Hey, baby.
You were supposed to put me on.
Huh? What you laughing at?
Saying like I ain't used to that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Up here, so basically, let me give y'all the rundown. So, it is not time to be doing motorcycles, girl. I got the door locked. I'm gonna have this man playing in the background like I'm on FaceTime or whatever. And you know, I'm gonna ignore Cardo a little bit when he gets here. I'm not gonna open the door. I have a camera set up out there too so we can get his reaction. After a while, I think I might open the door, you know, after I get my pettiness out. But yes, if you are ready for this prank, smash the like button. Just smash the like button. Comment Team J, period. King of pranks is back. It's been a while. And I know he's not expecting it. So, period. Love you guys. I think I'm going to be holding the camera in here until maybe I open the door. Then I'm going to put it somewhere. But yeah, I just got to wait for him to get back. So, period.
346 minutes later.
I'm hungry. He taking forever. So, I'm about to fix me something to eat, girl. All right, you guys, so Cardo just called me, said he's on the way back. He could be back any moment now, so I have the camera set up here. This is the door where he's gonna try to get in. You know, I'm gonna just be petty, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't hear him. I got my boyfriend on deck. Hey, baby. And period. This is about to be a lit-ass prank. I got Miss Empire with us. Come here, baby. Hey, baby. Say hi. Say hey. Yeah, because it's just been crazy.
You should probably be here.
I should probably be
It's early in the morning.
right. That's what I'm saying. Like it's crazy.
Hey.
It's crazy.
Hello.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it's been crazy. What's,
know if you know you can do it, I'm gonna do it.
what you gonna do? Like looking cute.
Jay.
You don't want me to stop? Hold on one second. Oh, I didn't even know you was here. I didn't even know you was here. Hold on one second.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm not doing that.
Why is the door locked?
Why wouldn't it be?
Huh?
Why wouldn't it be?
Yeah, why is the door locked, man? I'm out the door.
I don't like it when I get ready.
Huh?
I will in a minute.
Hurry up.
Why are you such in a hurry? I mean, why wouldn't I have the door locked? You just want strangers to just come in
The door never be locked.
and f me? I'm not doing nothing.
You got mail like this. Tell me. Cause I will beat this door the fuck down.
Sorry.
Yeah. What do you mean? I'm almost finished.
Huh?
I'm almost finished.
I can't even remember you saying.
I said I'm almost finished.
What are you doing?
I'm just really getting myself straight. I'm getting myself together.
What are you getting straight?
My body.
It don't take like this damn I'm like, this damn long to open no fucking door.
Boy, chill out. What you want, baby?
Get a wide on your lens. You see all
You want to see it?
that?
Yeah, maybe.
What kind of question is
Yeah. What's up? What the fuck you doing? What you looking at me like? Oh, thank you. You're cute too.
What the fuck you doing, bro? Unlock the door, Jay. Oh my god. Jay.
Yeah, baby. You can see me again. What?
Open the door. What the fuck you doing?
I'm not doing that.
What? You are doing something. What the fuck you doing?
Alright, hold on.
She gonna tell.
I came back to talk to you, okay?
And then tell me exactly
What? Tell you what?
what you want me to do to you.
Ooh, I want you to ooh.
Alright?
I want you to do a lot to me. Like, you know. You know.
Like that.
You like that?
Jay, don't play with me. Cause I will beat this door the fuck down.
Hey.
You know what I'm gonna do after?
What you
Take
do?
my zipper in your teeth.
Ooh.
And zip it in.
Hold on, I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. I said I'm coming.
Unlock the fucking door. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
Don't play with me.
I said don't worry
Fuck
about
the door locked for.
it. I said don't worry about it.
No, the door should be locked. Let's just come home
I
now.
said don't worry about it. Like, why are you giving so much energy?
Cause there was another nigga here. I heard another nigga voice. It ain't stupid.
Okay.
It ain't no old fucking K niggas.
Yes, when you piss me off, you give other niggas privileges.
Jay, don't fucking play with me, nigga. Like, I'm some serious shit.
Like I said, I don't know who you think you is,
I'm that nigga.
but like, one go out the door, 3 more come in, period.
Jay, don't play with me.
No, don't play with me.
No, cause you know dead ass don't be having no fucking nigga over here.
No, nigga, don't worry about it. Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Jay, I'm not fucking playing with you.
I'm not playing with you either.
So why was the door locked?
Because it can be. The fuck, I
No,
know
it
about
can't
whatever
be.
door I wanted to lock.
You know how I feel about fucking locked doors.
The
So,
fuck?
no, cause I'm swearing if you got that nigga hiding up in the fucking house,
He's not
I'm
here
gonna
no
break
more.
that nigga neck and I'm gonna fuck you up.
He's not here no more.
Jay, what you mean that nigga ain't here no more? So you had another nigga over here in this house?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me you fucking lying.
I mean, what do you want me to?
Why do you have another nigga in my fucking house?
Because
Huh?
why?
Jay, why? Why do you have another fucking
Oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Why do you have another nigga in this fucking house?
What the fuck?
I'm so fucking serious. I don't give a fuck about that TV right now. Why do you have another fucking
What the fuck? It's a prank.
Don't fucking, it ain't no fucking prank. There was really a nigga up in here because I heard a
It's a
nigga.
prank. It's a prank. It was on YouTube. It's a prank.
No, hell no. This
It's
shit ain't
a
no fucking
prank.
prank.
Yes,
So
it
who the
was.
fuck
It's
was
a-
I listening to?
YouTube. Nigga, you just freaking bust. Bro, you just broke your TV.
I don't give a fuck about that TV right now. You
It's
better be
a
glad I ain't hit that
prank.
nigga like that.
It's a prank. Bro, what the fuck?
No, hell no. You
I
know I
know.
don't play about that shit. Now, how do you say it's a fucking prank?
Because I was recording the whole fucking time and now you look stupid. Nigga done bust the fucking TV.
I ain't do shit.
This nigga bust the TV. It don't even work no more.
Broke.
That is broke. What the fuck? This is a whole dent in.
No, you fucking play too much. That's
Team
what the fuck
J?
No. You know fucking
I
team
really
nothing.
got you, Team J.
No, you almost got whoever fucking face that was, bro.
That was my mamie.
Oh my gosh, I didn't put on.
He broke the TV. You really
Do it,
broke
put
the
on?
fucking TV. Oh. I got you.
No.
This is receipts. This is evidence. I got you, period. Team J. Team J. What's
Nah,
up?
so you ever take me to the hospital because of my fucking knuckle?
Your knuckle hurt?
A little bit. Man, get off me with that bullshit.
I got
No,
you.
you play too
Say
much.
Team J.
Team shit.
Team J.
Team shit.
Team J.
Team shit.
You're mad right now. It's okay.
Stop playing with me, you fuck.
Fuck